Your organization has a problem and you need an actionable plan to solve it. How do you do it? I'm James Janega from Growth Innovation Strategy. Companies want to know two things. They want to know where to go and to find the safest and fastest path to get there. At GIS, we help businesses see the future, craft flexible growth plans, and align their leadership and teams. We keep our advice pragmatic and accessible. Big Four insights at the right value. Watch, like, and subscribe, and let's talk about how to create a winning strategy for your organization. So what are the steps to finding your strategy? GIS keeps it simple with a straightforward four-step approach. We dive in with you about the problem you're experiencing and share our expertise to finding the right approach. We develop deeper understanding worth sharing before engaging your team. We engage your leaders in a strategy workshop, and we arrive at a plan and action items that your team is aligned around because they help to create it. It all starts with understanding your problem, what's behind it, and the trickiest elements to understand in order to move forward. Preparation is more than just research, usually. It's interviewing, understanding, and prepping your stakeholders to participate and succeed. It's setting a location and logistics so your team can participate comfortably and confidently. The centerpiece of setting your strategy is a face-to-face conversation together, often facilitated by Growth Innovation Strategy. This is to see and understand together, without mistake, what challenges and opportunities you face, agree on the right path forward for the right reasons, and decide how to marshal your resources and energy to get the job done. No strategy is complete without a plan of action, complete with a divide and conquer approach for you and your stakeholders. GIS can walk your team from vision and mission to key objectives, unit strategies, operational tactics, all the way down to useful KPIs and RACI charts of who owns what, by what deadlines, and the cadence of check-ins to ensure progress. Whether you're a Fortune 500 company, a division or function of a company that big, or a mid-cap company seeking a growth strategy, or a nonprofit or startup looking for traction, the process is the same, and the delivery is scalable. Don't be intimidated. We've got you, whether you need a light touch or a deep dive. If those are the steps, what does the engagement look and feel like? Well, first, we'll sit down with you or get on a Zoom call to understand what you're experiencing, what's been tried, and where you feel that you're stuck. The next step is preparation, and complexity drives this duration. You can see some of the tools that we use for challenging questions that require deep dives to compare apples to apples, but not all engagements are that hard. We can do a very simple balanced scorecard approach with stakeholder interviews for nonprofits that can be very quick, done even within a week. The next step is a workshop. Doing this in person without distractions is best, but COVID has forced all of us to innovate, so we know from experience that we can do this now as a Zoom workshop over a few half days. But you're going to need to make a little bit of time that you can all be there together. A day or two is usually best, and in person, again, is better. This is to align your team around the goal, shared challenges, planning steps needed, and roles and responsibilities. The point is to understand together the internal and external environment to match strengths to opportunities and address weaknesses so that they don't become threats. Finally, we'll agree on an action plan and deliver it to you. If you need help delivering it, we can find you that help too. Either we at GIS can deliver that for you or through introductions to our delivery partner network. If you want to learn more about strategy and innovation, drop us a line at strategy@growthinnovationstrategy.com. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos, and check us out online at growthinnovationstrategy.com. Thank you.